Hi family, thanks for watching. We had a bee garden going this spring and I will link that video in the comments below. And basically we have a lot of plants left over that we want to overwinter and get ready for next spring, making our bee garden even better. So we're gonna build a greenhouse. We have a greenhouse! So it's taken us about 3 weekends or 3 days to put this together. Day one, we spent kind of leveling the ground, getting the pressure treated wood to sit level, to get the base ready. In hindsight, we probably should have put the anchors in first thing, because screwing those down with the pressure treated wood already in place was kind of annoying. Day two was mostly assembling. One thing we heard is that once you start, don't stop, because it's at its weakest when it's incomplete. Day three has been kind of caulking everything and sealing up. Now the manufacturers actually recommend putting some support beams in, which we may yet still do. We're going to kind of test to see how the first storm goes. We will make a decision then about how we will reinforce this structure. We've got lots of ideas, but we don't want to start drilling holes and puncturing things until we've got a really solid idea of what we're doing. So we're really happy with the outcome of our little greenhouse. It's a little tight for us in there. We may eventually dig out the floors, but thanks for watching.